Hi everybody, it's Chris Kandai here. I'm so excited about tomorrow's great big live assembly. You probably know tomorrow's Ash Wednesday, the beginning of Lent. And whether you're a person of faith or not, Lent is a great season to think differently about life. And so we're going to be challenging children across the UK to 40 acts of kindness. And here are some of the little things that they could be doing. Make a friendship bracelet and give it away. Tidy up for someone without being asked. Make a thank you card for your school or classroom cleaners, or offer to wash up at the end of the art class. What lovely little gestures that could make a difference. There's 40 of them, and if you sign up for the live assembly, we'll send you these little worksheets. You can either print them out obviously in colour or black and white, or you can stick it up on the wall so that the kids, so that the children can tick them off, or maybe you'd want to print one individually for each child for their acts of kindness during this Lent period. What an amazing way. Instead of giving something up, what about giving something back this Lent? Join us if you can, 9:05 a.m. Of course, you can watch it later on Catch Up, but we'd love to see you. Let's spread a wave of kindness and generosity. Thanks.